Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to fix frozen screen problem in your Samsung smartphone. Sometimes your screen stuck or apps not working. Just you have to open your settings of your smartphone. Then friends, click on applications. Here it is, application. You can see apps. Click on search, right here Android. And click on Android settings, then click on the storage, clear cache and clear data. Then again you have to write here Google Play services. You have to just force stop, or you can just clear cache and clear data. After that it will fix your frozen screen problem or apps are stuck. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.